Live and work from this rare, C1 zoned, mixed-use, opportunity in the heart of Ashland. This location can house your business while you have a residence upstairs. Or, add it to your investment portfolio as rents are at $1,250 upstairs, and $1,450 downstairs. Upper story has a comfortable 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom plus kitchen, while the main floor has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that is ADA accessible, with its own kitchen. Main floor was recently vacated and ready for immediate occupancy. Recent remodel to both units. Could be a great hotel or Airbnb use. Buyer to do their due diligence on permitted uses.